Babe, we need to talk. You know this is not the first time you're doing this, right? I'll call you, you will not take your calls. I'll send you messages, you will not respond to them. It's not nice, it's not fair. I don't understand. Where's all of this coming from? And then you go about acting as if everything is okay. You act as if everything is fine. Really? No. Like, really? You were not like this now. How about you two, you know? You would always text me. You would always call me. You were always present. You were always there. Now, I'm being asked, oh, where's your babe? Because why? I used to be your handbag. I used to always be by your side. Now my friends and my sisters are asking me, oh, where's your babe now? We don't see your babe again now. Why are you at home now? No, make me understand. You were my favorite person. You were always there for me. If people want to reach me, they reach you. So where is all of this coming from? No, now, talk to me. Make me understand.
Babe. Please. Stop. Please. I'm sorry. I really am. I promise, I'm sorry. I know the past few months have been a lot and work has been hectic.
Work?
I promise.
The same work I complained about, Abby?
I'm sorry.
No, is it the same work I complained about?
I'm sorry. I know the past few months have been a lot. I've not been the best partner, but I promise I'm going to do better. I truly am sorry. I'm trying to be one of the top photographers in Nigeria, and that takes a lot of work. I'm trying to make a name for myself. But I'm sorry, I promise. That does not mean I don't care about you. I do.
You're making excuses.
I'm sorry, babe. Okay, I'm going to try and make our time for us. How about we do a date on Friday?
Works.
Where would you like to go? Let's go to that your favorite place. Don't do that.
I don't know. Maybe.
What do you think?
Maybe.
Don't tell me you're still upset.
I am.
Come on. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to cook for you.
Please. Stop trying to patronize me.
Come on.
I'm
How about I
serious.
make egusi soup for you?
Please.
Chicken. I know how you like it.
I know you know that I like it, but if this keeps happening, you're not going to see me again, trust me.
I promise it's not going to keep happening. Come on now.
I miss you.
I miss you too. Babe, come on. Come on, let's go and get ice cream now. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Just hands. Take care.